Standard 3/4 inch conduit is a cheap and sturdy building material. The Maker Pipe system was designed as a simple solution for you to build your projects with standard conduit. The 90-degree connector joins 3 pipes together to create a corner or 3-way connection. The connection features a steel construction and is finished with a durable industrial automotive coating that can be used indoors and out. Every purchase includes the needed hardware and a pre-applied heat-treated band that adds for a more secure connection. Start by adding the hardware loosely with the nut on the inside and slide it down the vertical pipe to the desired position. Tighten the 2 bolts until the 2 pieces have a nice grip on the vertical pipe. The pocket feature secures the nut in place, allowing for a simple one-tool assembly. Insert the 2 outer pieces of conduit and be sure to tighten evenly, going back and forth between the bolts so you finish with a symmetrical connection. When tightening the bolt, the connectors clamp down on the conduit, allowing for easy connection that requires no drilling. Just like that, you have a strong 3-way corner connection without any special tools or skills needed. All you need is some conduit from your local hardware store, a few Maker Pipe connectors from our website, and you can get started on your project today.